My video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of the fake human verification alerts related to the website News-wemipo.cc. This site News-wemipo.cc is totally faulty and very deceptive. It attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make people click on this allow button, supposedly to help them confirm that they're humans and not robots. But the truth is that it's a mistake to click on allow. This may immediately hijack your browser with multiple advertisements that will be attacking the screen from time to time. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow button, fix your browser. If you don't fix it, you will face a lot of advertisements that will be attacking your screen. So fix it by accessing the menu, settings, then choose privacy and security, site settings. In permissions, click on notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. You need to remove these News-wemipo and other malicious sites in case you find them on the list. So carefully, one by one, get rid of all of them. I also recommend that you research your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start thoroughly researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.